Hello, I'm Karen Smith from Bright Spark Electrical Services, your local electricians, managing director, electrician and the owner. We regularly get called for either emergencies or complete replacements of shower pull cords. Take a look at this short video to explain more about shower pull cords. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video channel to learn more of what Bright Sparks can offer you.